how you can find recently deleted photos and videos on your iPhone. Now this is for iOS 18, so make sure that you are on iOS 18. Now before I teach you guys how to do this, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your photos. After you do so, just scroll down. Scroll down till you find utilities. Now after you find utilities, you will see recently deleted option right there. You can tap on it. If you don't find it, just scroll it and you will find it. Now just tap on recently deleted and just use your Face ID. After you do that, you will see the recently deleted photos and videos right there. So that is how you do it. And if you don't find the utilities option and recently deleted option, you need to scroll down all the way and there you will see customize and reorder. Just tap on it and there you will see all the options that you want on your photos. Make sure that you've selected utilities. After you do that, you will get this option right there and you can check your recently deleted. So that is basically how you do it, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye, take care.